Hey there, it's great to meet you all. It's me, Kaiden. I'm here to bring a bit of business casual to your videos on enterprise accounts, because every day can't be a suit and tie affair. And I'll be bringing boldness to your boardroom in the usual two framings, waist up and chest up. But wait, there's more. Say hello to my new avatar colleague.
Thanks for the intro, Kaiden. Hey there guys, my name is Kira, and I'll be joining Kaiden on all enterprise accounts. And while it might look like I've taken business casual to the extreme, that's not entirely accurate. You see, I'm actually a medical professional in my working hours, helping to save my customers' videos whenever I can.
Well, that's all for today, folks. We'll be seeing you inside studio. Happy creating.